So good afternoon. So welcome to our topic for today. So we will try to name different organic compounds. So let's start with this one. So as you can see, it's a single bond structured hydrocarbon. So you can assume that this is an alkane. So alkane, single bond, alkene is double bond, and alkyne is triple bond. So for this one, this is alkane. So the end, um, the end of the name of this IUPAC name of this compound must be ANE. ANE. Now, after securing the uh, family of this compound, so we know it's alkane. So we'll find the longest chain of carbon that is successively and wala siya naputol. So let's try to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. So let's try another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Or either 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of chain of carbon would be 7. So using the Greek prefix for 7, that is hepta, so that will be the mother compound of this hydrocarbon, that is heptane. Heptane. So now after knowing the mother compound, let's check the um, connections or substituents attached to the mother compound. So this is the mother compound. So there are substituents or alkyl groups attached in this mother compound. We have 3. So we'll name that 3 attachment. So we have first is we have methyl. So CH3 is methyl from methane. So CH4, you get the one hydrogen from that, out from that. So from ANE, you change that ANE to YL, which is methyl. So another methyl in this part. And then we have a 2-carbon alkyl is ethyl. So MEPB, so methyl ethyl. So ethyl 2-carbon. Now, we will name or connect that substituents according to its position sa alphabet. So ethyl or methyl. So let's una sa function ang ethyl. So, and then there will be coefficient, numerical coefficient, which is based on the position of the alkyl or attachment to the um, nearest carbon attach kung asa siya naka-attach. For example, dire we'll number this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So if you count the attachment, so first appearance of the attachment is in the 4th carbon. So let's try to name it from right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first appearance of attachment is in the 2nd carbon. So we'll use this arrangement of or sequence of carbon. So now, so from that one, the first appearance of methyl is from the 2nd carbon. So ethyl is attached in the 4th carbon. So that is 4-ethyl. Now, we will connect the methyl. So we have 2-methyl. So we will not use the 2-methyl, 3-methyl, but instead we will use 2 and then 3, 2, 3. So letter for Greek letter or prefix for 2 is di. So we'll use dimethyl and then connect this one to the mother compound, which is the heptene. So this will be the name of this compound. 2-ethyl 4-ethyl 2,3-dimethylheptane. So this is the name of this compound. So let's proceed to our next example. So this is the next example. Again, let's check the number of carbons. The longest chain of carbons are 1, 2. So every end to end is a carbon atom attached on that. So carbon, this is another carbon, carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 7. That is heptane. So insert. That is heptane. Now, after knowing the mother compound, we have another attachment. So ganina is a methyl compounds, kani is mga halogens. So we have a bromine and a chlorine. So same thing, you'll number the position on the kung aha nag-appear ang pinaka lowest. But for this one, we have i-ano kasi the attachment is 1, 2. So if you count from here up to there, you have the second attachment. Ay second, ang second attachment is nasa second carbon. Ang first attachment, I mean. So if you count from here up to there, the attachment will start at the second. Same for the chlorine. The ruling for this is you name based on the, or you arrange it based on alphabet. So we'll number this one here, 3, 4, up to 7. So the name for this compound would be 2-bromo. The position of chlorine is 6-chloroheptane. That is 2-bromo 6-chloroheptane. So that's it. Third example is this one. So we have what group man? So as you can see, it's an alkene because of the double bond. So the end of the mother compound should be ENE. Now we'll find the longest chain of carbon. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there wala ni other carbon. So let's use this one. So 4 is MAPB. So that's butane, but it's double bond, so butene. So butene. Now we'll find the position of the double bond. So it's katong pinaka lowest gid siya. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So naa siya sa first carbon. So it can be put na naa siya sa second carbon and so on and so forth. So dapat nimo siya i-know kung aha nakaposisyon ang carbon. So this should be 1-butene, or you can also use but-1-ene. Pwede po na siya. But for this one, we'll use the 1-butene. So that's it. That's 1-butene. For this one, same thing, but the position has changed. Dito ni appear ang double bond sa second carbon. So this would be 2-butene. But if ever mo change dire ang double bond, so walaon ni siya, balin dire, it's same thing as 2-butene. So you will count the attachment on the sa lowest na carbon compound or carbon atom. So, yun. That's it. And lastly, this one. So, as you can see, it's a um, amino acid na attachment of amino amino attachment. So, unsa ang pag-name ana? So, unsa man ni siya na or unsa na siya na functional group. So that is a carboxylic acid. It's because of the double bond O and then an alcohol sa ang pikas na side. Tapos na siya sa end sa nasa end sa chain. Now, find again the longest chain of carbon. So we have 1. So since naa siya attachment of functional group, so we'll prioritize the functional group. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 5, 6, 7, or 5, 6, 7. So we'll try to use this one. So that's 7. So that's 7. So the name for that is heptane. So that's heptane. Sorry, heptane. That's heptane. But for this one, for a carboxylic acid, you change the E to OIC acid. So that's oic acid. So this will become heptanoic acid. So this will be the mother compound. Now we will check the attachments. Ang first attachment would be this one, 1 and then 2. So you have 2 attachments. You have 2 attachments. Saka na siya i-name ana sa 2 attachments. So again, it's a ito sa na siyang i-name. Kani siya is 1 naman siya. This is a methyl group. And then kani isa is a 2 carbon group man. So this will be ethyl. So for this one, i-name din ay ikuan na nato iyahang position at sa attachment. So again, kung na-ay functional group, prioritize that one. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nasa 5 ang ethyl. 5 ethyl. And then the methyl is nasa ikaunom na attachment. So again, alphabetical ang pag-connect sa iya ha. So this will come first. And then we'll connect the 6-methyl. Yan. And then I had siya i-connect sa heptanoic acid. So this will be the final name of this compound, 5-ethyl 6-methyl heptanoic acid. Or you may use dash in between methyl and heptanoic, or you may use the methyl heptanoic acid. So if you have questions, please raise it. Please ask it sa comment box. Thank you.